All right, so we're going to focus on triangles for most of the week. How many sides does a triangle have? Yeah, and it also has 3 angles. Okay, and we're going to focus on what happens with those 3 angles. Okay, so over here, we have a triangle XYZ. So when we name the sides, we're going to use 2 letters. So we have 3 sides. We have sides XY, YZ, and XZ. Those are the 3 sides that make our triangle. Okay. It's only going to take us 1 letter to name an angle, okay? So we have angle X, angle Y, and angle Z. It's an angle sign. It looks like a slanted L, but it means angle. Okay, so I don't really care if you remember what the name is, but we're going to focus on what's called the triangle sum theorem. What does sum mean? Sum means what operation? Addition. Thank you, Farah. Okay. Sum means we're adding. Okay. And that is what I used that weird triangle folding thing at the beginning to try to get you to see that when we have 3 angles of a triangle, their sum means they're going to add together, is always going to be 180 degrees. No matter what size the triangle, big, small, medium, isosceles, equilateral, all the things, the 3 angles are always going to add up to be 180. I think I'm out of pencils. I did not realize that.
Can I go ask Mr. Reese?
Yes. Okay, so no matter what we have, okay, so let's pretend we have that triangle right there. We are going to take the measure of angle X, whatever number it is, and add it to the measure of angle Y, whatever that is, and add it to the measure of angle Z, whatever that number is, and the 3 numbers should add up to be 180, okay? That is what we're doing for the next 3 days, okay? Now, before we get into the examples, you're probably going to need a calculator. So whichever human is the tallest needs to get the right number calculators for your table. Okay? So look at the numbers, like you guys are 1, 3, and 4. Go get the calculators. Yeah.
Can't you add both of them up and then 180?
Yes, but I'm gonna have you show work, and we're gonna need a calculator to do that. So before we do that, Marshall, you're probably the tallest, unless Story's taller than you.
I think Marshall's tall.
I think Marshall's the tallest. So Marshall, you go get the 4 calculators.
Yeah,
You guys are all probably like the same height, honestly. Well, Story's taller than you, but you're not short. Oh, Kayla, that was very kind of you. Kali,
I was gonna go get them. I was just
you were writing because you needed a pencil. Okay, so when I say the next job, it'll be you.
19, 17, 18, 20.
So 17 through 20.
17, 18, 19, 20. Oh.
I don't know. Thank you, Marshall. All right. So let's look at number 1. So Rhea kind of already told me what she thinks we need to do. Okay. I know that there's several of you. There's probably several of you who could punch numbers in a calculator and figure out what the answer is, but I need you to show a specific work, okay? So what do we know about the 3 angles of a triangle? What do we know about the 3 angles of a triangle? Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take each of these 3 and add them together to equal 180. So we know that x plus 79 plus 82 equals 180. Write it down. Write it down. Not this one.
Yes, we did.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So now we have an equation to solve. Gut feeling, what do you think we should do first?
Add 70.
Okay, so we need to get x by itself and flash back to unit 2. The first thing that we do when we have an equation is combine like terms. So 79 plus 82 need to be added together. What do we get? What do we get? 161. Okay, so x plus 161 equals 180. Oh gosh. Now what? What do we do with the 161? Yes, since it's being added to x, we are going to undo it by subtracting it. So add and subtract undo each other, and we get x equals what? X equals 19. Beautiful. How does that feel? Not so bad, right? Now, I know that some of you could in your calculator and figure out that it's 19, but I need to see the setup, okay, with your work. Okay, that is important. Okay, so let's go to number 2 and let's talk about the setup that I would want to see. Okay. Oops. Okay, so Sophia, what would I want to see right here as your setup? Equals what? No, what number do I put on the other side? 180. Okay, now, Sophia, we can add together this 68 and 49. $117. We agree? Okay. Okay, so now since 117 is being added to x, we will undo it by subtracting it over. Colton, what do we get?
63.
Anybody disagree with 63? Ooh, I rhymed. Okay. Now, number 3 kind of makes me nervous. Why do you think I'm nervous about number 3? What does that box mean?
90 degrees.
Oh, Oh, yeah. That box means we have a 90-degree angle. Okay, so Colton, how do we set up this equation? Okay, tell me what I should write down.
X plus 90 plus 53.
Keep going. Equals. Okay, there we go, Thomas. Yeah. Okay. So help me out, 90 plus 53. Rhea, 90 plus 53. Okay. I see. What should I do with 143?
Oh, minus 20,
Cool. Do you have that number?
31.
Do you agree with Icy? Okay. When he's back. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna have you do. Everybody set up and do number 4. And when you have your answer and your elbow partner has an answer, I want you to check to make sure you got the same thing. Ready, set, go. If you don't know your elbow partner, introduce yourself. Oh, that is loud. Was that you? Oh, okay. Brandon, did you and Colton get the same thing? Did you two get the same thing? Okay. Khalid, did you get an answer? What did you get? Did you get 119?
Yeah, that's the thing we did.
Yeah. All right, so I'm hearing that we're getting 119. X plus 27 plus 34 equals 180. 27 plus 34 is 61. So when we minus 61 over, we get 119. Okay.